Yo!
Perfect.
Content बघा content.
मला असे laughing shots पाहिजे.
Content की अशी घे. Content साठी आले ते. चला चला.
Hi. Hi.
ये ना मला पण.
Let's see. Let's see. Hey Jitu, what's up? Hello all you lovely people out there. So finally we have reached the Campistan place where we are going to do camping, and this is my first time ever camping, and this place is in Karjat. I'll leave all the details in the description box, and for now I just cannot wait to go and explore this place. So let's go ahead. Hello guys, what's the plan?
Lunch.
Plan is so that's my gang for the weekend. It's like, oh my god, it's really windy and it's really nice over here, and let's go ahead and explore Campistan. So guys, here we are at the boating, kayaking. Lovely.
Very nice, very nice.
This place is so amazing. Like I didn't go for kayaking, but from the experience of my friends, they are loving it, and I am loving capturing the content over here. And it's really a breath of fresh air. We थोड़ा happy.
Round laughter.
This is the starter quantity for 6 people, right?
Yeah.
Amazing. Lovely.
Like 1 stick per person.
Per person.
1 stick per person. Imagine guys waking up to this amazing view. It's so pleasant and it's so peaceful. Basic camp, like basic tent. Like there is enough space for 2 people to sleep, but unfortunately not much of space to keep your belongings. Having your breakfast at such an amazing location. I'm just not asking for it. What's his name?
Rambo. Rambo, look. Sit down. Sit. Be a good boy. Sit down, Rambo. Yes. High five. High five. Jump.
So cute. So the day 2 buffet was not a part of the package, but we requested them and they were kind enough to provide us the same for an additional cost. So guys, this was my vlog nutshell, if I have to review this place was really well managed. The camps were good, the washrooms were hygienic, the food was okay, could have been better, but definitely this place should be on your list if you want to party with your friends or just spend some time with your family amidst the nature. This place is so peaceful and so calming, and definitely it was my first camping experience ever, and I loved it. And definitely I'm gonna travel more and do camping more often. So yeah, I'm just loving this experience, and I think it is a weekend well spent. Looking at these moments, I feel so happy and grateful that I have taken this trip, and these are the moments which bring a smile on my face. Traveling gives me peace, it gives me purpose, and I feel both peace and purpose give a real meaning to life.
Guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Pranali Sawant channel. Yo!
Thank you! So guys, that's it from my side. Till then, stay tuned, keep smiling, keep traveling, keep making amazing memories because Ayushya Sundar hai.
Hey!
Cheers!
अरे